Right, welcome back. Everything is cooked now, so you will see. I can tell you one thing. That curry is looking absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the flavors, the smells are coming. Let me show you. Let me show you. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. And what did I say to you before? Hold it. What did I say to you before? I mean, I said to you, didn't I, that, you know, you don't have to do all the traditional way because look, it just turned out just as a normal curry would do when you cook it the normal way. Look at that. Look at that.
Plus we have.
Right.
Plus we have this to go with.
We just got some yogurt to accompany it. We've got some sag here, spinach to accompany it. And I'm sure those of you who are Bangladeshi, you know what this stuff is. I've got a lovely salad to go with that. Some rice.
And that's the macaroni cheese
A
for
bit of
Mikhail.
macaroni cheese here.
For Mikhail,
For
because
Mikhail.
he don't like curry. Well, he
He
likes
does
curry, but
sometimes.
he don't like spicy though.
Okay,
Yeah, so, and that's the cucumber there.
great.
And so, yeah, so this is, we're using the, actually,
Let me show you close up again.
okay, I'm gonna put some wait. Okay, let me, okay.
Earlier on, I said to you cutlery when I was holding a teacup. What I meant was a stoneware. But obviously, this is the same as
Made in Japan. It's
You know,
actually,
as that
it's a
teacup.
very good make. It's Mountain
Mountain
Wood
Collection. Yeah,
stoneware. So
it's very,
it's actually, yes,
Yeah,
it's
it's-
made in Japan.
it's a very good cutlery,
so-
stoneware.
Yeah.
Great. So look, I hope you enjoyed. Well, we just plate up first. We just plate up, and I'll show you the. I'll show you. Well, I'll do a taste test. I mean, I know how it tastes good, but just for the viewers. Look at this. Let me show you. Okay, that's enough. A bit of salad.
A bit of salad. And that's and some chutney here. We have chutney, Bangladeshi
A little
chutney.
bit. That's fine. Put it on the inside here. Thank you. Now,
And some chili there.
good. This is my favorite Scotch bonnet chili again that I showed you in the last video. You can put some salad here.
Salad there.
And this is how we do it. Traditional, Asian, Bangladeshi, Filipino style. Now, let me
Sit there.
show you. Right.
Okay, sit properly now. Sit properly.
So I'm gonna bite this. Bangladeshi, it's called lembu.
Ayan po ang ating luto ngayon ay mutton curry at saka meron tayong salad doon. Hindi po nawawala yung kamatis at saka radish na salad namin. Lagi-laging meron yan. Ayan po yung sag. Ayan po ay malunggay po yan. Ituturo ko po sa inyo, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano pagluluto niyan next time ng sag bhaji. Sabi nila sag bhaji sa Bangladesh. Pero sa atin, malunggay, ginisang malunggay, dahon ng malunggay. Ayan po. Okay, so let's eat now. So see you next time. And
great.
I hope you enjoy our video and so see you next time.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Macaroni.